Alright guys, I made I don't know how many videos of this stupid bike. Got quite a few, not really sponsors, but stickers from all over the freaking place. $1 Million Highway, Black Bear Pass, Steve Irwin, I Want to Believe in Bigfoot. A little dark over here. Shine some light. There's a Jackass Coffee, or Whistle Stop. That one's a Moab, American Flag, Smokey and the Bandit, Alpine Loop. Quite a few over there. I don't know. Anyhow, running out of daylight. I'm in my little shop. And there's my other very awesome bike. Such an awesome little bike. Anyhow, we're talking about this one. I'm gonna do me a quick little oil change. I don't see no part number. Oh, there it is. Anyhow, I don't really trust dealerships. I'm gonna try and put this back together. I got a ride coming up tomorrow. Go somewhere really cool. But anyhow, hi guys. I'm getting nice and dirty and running out of daylight out there. So I'll talk to you guys later.